What are you doing today, guys? I'm in Lake Tapps with real estate broker Laura Stockler with Toral Sells Houses team at a really beautiful home. This home has room for everyone with 5 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and a spacious 3,238 square feet. If you're in the area or searching for a property like this, stop by today between 12 and 2 and get entered to win a Sky Viper Nano drone. Discuss some financing strategies with me and view the home with Laura. Ready to take a look? Let's go.
Hello, welcome. Let's take a tour. You get to enjoy entertaining with a formal living and dining room. Enjoy cooking in this amazing gourmet kitchen. And look at these chandeliers. Enjoy your evenings lounging in front of this amazing fireplace. And look, another awesome chandelier. What a beautiful, spacious master bedroom. Enjoy soaking fireside in your beautiful 5-piece master bathroom. And here we have endless possibilities in this bonus/5th possible bedroom. I mean, heck, you can even chill in the sauna.